Here we will discuss 5 practical ways to easily mirror Android to PC Windows 10. Part 1. How to screen share Android to Windows 10 11s via the Built-in Connect app. 1. Press and hold the Windows logo plus I keys together on the computer keyboard to open settings. 2. Click System Projecting to this PC. Optional features. Check Wireless Display. Hit Install. Note that wireless display won't install if your current internet connection is metered, so remember not to use a metered network when installing it. 3. Select Available Everywhere in the first drop-down menu and click the Launch the Connect app to project to this PC option. 4. The Connect app screen will appear on your PC. 5. Open Settings on your Android phone and search for Cast in the search bar. 6. Click Cast from the results. Tap Cast again. Hit the 3 dots at the upper right corner. Tick Enable Wireless Display. 7. Click the Windows 10 device when it shows up to cast the Android phone to Windows 10. Part 2. How to screen mirror Android to PC Windows 10 11s with Screen Mirror Tool. 1. Install and launch the software on your PC. Next, choose Android Mirror on the interface. 2. Choose the USB connection tab and plug your Android phone into the PC via a USB cable and click the Transfer Files option on your phone. Then install the Mirror app on your Android phone and enable USB debugging. 3. Once done, you can view your Android screen on the Windows 10 PC. 4. You can start controlling your Android screen from the PC. Part 3. How to mirror Android to Windows 10 via AirDroid Cast. 1. Install AirDroid Cast on your Android and PC from Google Play Store. 2. Connect your Android phone and PC. Open the AirDroid Cast app on your Windows 10. Click WLAN, scan the QR code or enter the 9-digit code on your Android app to establish a connection. 3. Tap Allow when a casting request pops up on your Windows 10. 4. Enable the device mirroring on your Android device. Once done, it will display the Android screen on Windows 10. Part 4. How to display Android screen on Windows 10 using LetsView. 1. Install and run the program on your Android and PC Windows 10. 2. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. 3. Click Phone Screen Mirroring on your computer, and you will get a PIN code at the top right corner. 4. On the Android app, tap the PIN code icon at the upper right corner and enter the PIN code you see on Windows 10. After that, tap Start Mirroring to cast Android to Windows 10 laptop. Part 5. How to cast Android to Windows 10 laptop via your phone app. 1. Click the Start button at the lower left corner on your PC and select Devices. Search for your phone in the search bar. 2. Select your phone from the results and tap Get Started on the interface. 3. Install Link to Windows from Google Play Store on your Android device. 4. Use your phone to scan the QR code on Windows 10 to pair the devices. Afterward, give the necessary permissions to the app, and you will see you're all set. 5. Tap Continue on your computer to start managing your phone on the PC.